We'll record this for Sue, then we'll send that to her later. Get it! Oh, not over us! Not you. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Lovely weather. You're an idiot. Max, you're an idiot. Well, looks like I'm going to have a wet dog when I get home. Good job you don't do that, isn't it, Archie? Hmm? See? You got enough yet?
Light rain in 3 minutes, anyway.
Eh?
Light rain in 3 minutes.
Yeah, right. I'm just going to say heavy rain now in 3 minutes. There we go.
You probably don't even say it's raining.
So, Max, me and Archie just sit here cuddling.
Light rain expected to stop in 47 minutes.
Yeah, right. What's he doing, Archie? What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing?
So if that just continued to bloody go, he wouldn't stop?
No, he wouldn't,
stop?
no.
Would he stop?
Yeah, I'd be there all day. He just likes strips, I don't know why. Here he goes. Here comes the barking. Finished. Oh, that'll do.